Hey students, coming at you. Today, let's learn a really cool new English word. It's perfunctory. Now, to really get this word, we're going to start with a quick story. Ready? All right, so our story is all about a boy named Ronnie. Let's see what he's up to.
So here's Ronnie, totally glued to his phone, just playing his favorite game.
Then suddenly, his mom calls him. Turns out, they have a guest over. Ronnie just mumbles a quick hello, doesn't even look up, and bam, right back to his game. So what's the word for that kind of action? You know, when you do something just because you have to.
That word is perfunctory. Ronnie's greeting was perfunctory. মানে সে কাজটা শুধু করার জন্য করলো.
So let's break that down. Perfunctory means doing something without any real care or genuine interest. Okay, so how do we actually use this word in a sentence? Let's check out some examples. Here, someone at work just glanced at a report without any real focus. このモノジョグマラではないシェグルトプルのジュニスを見つけていち.
Because that review was perfunctory, he missed key details. Atsor eshe fule projecte shoma shohoyache.
In this one, imagine a handshake with zero energy. It totally shows they don't want to work together. Yeah, that perfunctory handshake says it all, right? There's no real interest in teaming up. And here, someone is just rushing through a task. They're not thinking about the future problems at all. So doing something in a perfunctory way isn't just fast, it's careless. And it can be super risky. Want an easy way to spot it? If someone does a job carelessly just to get it over with, yup, that's perfunctory. So the main takeaway is this. Perfunctory just means doing something half-heartedly. Simple as that. All right, one last question for you. Can you think of any perfunctory action you've seen today?